platforms, handrails, connectors, and closures is complete, and all fasteners and set screws have been tightened, secure ramps to platforms with ramp end clips. Position the ramp end clip with the hole pointing up, then insert the short end of the ramp end clip into the small gap between the ramp and the platform in the area where the ramp side rail overlaps the ramp end tread. Before the ramp end clip contacts the ramp side rail, rotate the ramp end clip so the short end extends into the recess under the ramp end tread. Use the hole in the ramp end clips as a template to drill a 1/8 inch pilot hole in the platform side rail, and then use 1/4 inch by 1 inch long self-drilling screws to secure the ramp end clip to the platform side rail. Repeat this process for all locations where a ramp meets a platform using 2 ramp end clips. The lower starter frame post supports must be anchored to the ground for code compliance. Refer to the installation manual for anchoring details. For final checks, ensure all fasteners are in place and tightened securely. Ensure that the level and slope have not shifted during installation. Walk on the assembled system and check for any undue movement. If movement is noted, refer back to the instruction and ensure all installation steps were followed.